Hey, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download Minecraft 1.15 on your Windows PC. To download Minecraft Java on your Windows PC, you will need to download this specific Minecraft launcher. The link will be put in the video description below. Once you have opened up the link, you will simply need to download it, then proceed to the next step. As I have already done this, as you can see here, I will continue. Once downloaded, just open the file. Don't worry, it is completely safe. It may take a minute to load, but once it is done, you should see this page. Now, you just need to make a simple account. It won't require any login info. Just click the drop down, then hit create and manage. After that, hit add. Now, choose the free account and give it a name. Hit add account, then hit home. The last step, before you play your game of Minecraft, is to choose one of the many available versions of the game, in this case, the all-new 1.15. Once chosen, hit install and play. This should take a minute. There you go, you now have Minecraft installed on your PC. And, as you can see, it is version 1.15 with the brand new bees and honey. Here's a little gameplay to show proof that it works. And there you go. Thanks for watching. That was how to install Minecraft Java version 1.15 on PC. If you enjoyed that, check out my other videos and tutorials on screen now, and subscribe for future videos like this, or check out my other channels also on screen now.